How to allow apps to access the storage on your Android device. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can allow the applications to access the storage on your Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now the reason you might want applications to access the storage is because let's say you're downloading something from TikTok. TikTok needs to access your files and media or your storage permissions so that it can be able to store files. You're downloading something from a gallery app, it needs to have the storage permissions. So if there is any of the applications that are lacking the storage access, in this case what you need to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open the settings application on your Android phone. Now depending upon whichever Android phone you're using, the version of software could be different. If you're using Google, you could have stock Android. If you're using Samsung, you could have One UI. If you're using Realme, Redmi, you could have MIUI and so forth. Depending upon whichever settings application you have, you simply want to go ahead and then look for the option known as apps. Once you go to the apps option over here, you'll be able to see a list of all of the applications that are currently installed on your Android phone. Now you simply want to go ahead and then open the specific applications where you want to manage the access to. Once you're on the app info page of that specific app, over here you'll be able to find an option known as permissions, and then you want to simply go to permissions. Now let's say I want to allow the files and media access to it as well as the storage access. If you look under the permissions tab, here you have this little option over here known as photos and videos. So all you have to do is just make sure to tap on it and then make sure to select the allow option. Then next time whenever you're trying to download something from this app, you'll be able to successfully store them to your phone. That is why it needs the storage access. If it doesn't work, then sometimes you might also get a pop-up whenever you're trying to download something. In that case, you can just select the allow option. Otherwise, you can just come back to this page over here, and then once you're on the settings page as you were just a moment ago, you simply want to go to apps option again, scroll down, go to this option known as special app access, and once you go to special app access, over here you'll be able to see all files access at the top. Just select that and then allow the permissions of that specific app, and this way you'll be able to allow applications to access the storage on your Android device. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.